Hello everyone, back in today's first video, going to have a look at the weather for the weekend for today's first video. So as always on a Saturday, we do a weekend forecast, and of course we had our third hottest day on record yesterday with a maximum temperature of 37.8 degrees at Heathrow Airport, and temperatures widely into the mid to upper 30s in many parts of southern and eastern Britain. So yeah, it was a very hot day. Yes, it's much cooler out there today, and generally going to stay rather cooler and more showery for the next few days. Towards the end of this coming week, it does look as though the hot weather could be coming back, though, with winds turning back into the south once again towards the end of this coming week, and particularly into next weekend, I think could turn very hot. More about that in Weekend Forecast later on. Just say that websites for using full Weekend Forecast are coming from weatherout.com and weatherstates.de. You can find links to both websites on the links page, GavsWeatherVids.com, and in the description at YouTube. The radar picture is from GavsWeatherVids itself. Later on this afternoon, we're going to have a 10 to 14 day update, including all of the regular features. Right then, so this is how things are currently looking with radar pictures. So there's a few showers around. Many places have been dry previous morning, but one or two showers across the northwest England, one or two across the northeastern England, east of Scotland as well, one or two from Northern Ireland, and a few have come down through Wales into parts of the Midlands as well. But generally, it's been mainly dry through most areas during this morning. So I'll move on from that very quickly. Here's today's Arctic pressure chart. So we pushed the heat away to the east, of course. The cold front that came across the country yesterday evening and overnight has cleared away and freshened up the air. However, it is still quite warm down in the southeastern corner. The general situation is that we've got low pressure around Iceland and high pressure from the Azores down to our southwest, just bringing us this flat westerly wind for the first day of August. So basically, weather we've had this morning is what we're going to keep into this afternoon, except showers could get heavier and more frequent across Northern Ireland, possibly into western Scotland as well by the end of the afternoon and into the evening. A few scattered showers generally in more northern and western areas. Many southern and eastern parts of the country will stay dry with just one or two isolated showers coming through here and there. Temperatures are still pretty warm in the southeast. I mean, middle of London is probably going to be up to around 26, 27 this afternoon, so that's still around 80 Fahrenheit. It's all of the heat that's left over from yesterday just going to radiate out from all of the buildings and concrete and so on. Generally, temperatures are several degrees down on yesterday, though. Even in the southeast, where it's still very warm, it will feel a lot cooler and fresher compared to yesterday. So our ranging temperatures today is going to be something like 15 to 27. That's 59 to 81 Fahrenheit. Overnight tonight, we're going to take a system across the northern part of the country, so there will be showers pushing from west to east across Scotland, Northern Ireland, and parts of Northern England too. Some of those showers could be quite heavy. Further south, it's going to stay mainly dry for the bulk of England and Wales. A fresher feeling night in the southeast. Temperatures are going to be ranging from around 10 to 16 degrees, so it's still pretty warm in the southeast, but certainly fresher compared to the past couple of nights. Sunday, we're into this northwesterly flow again, so it really is a case of sunshine and showers, particularly where exposed to those northwesterly winds, which is the northern and western part of Scotland, Northern Ireland, northwest England, north and west Wales. There will be showers coming and going through there. More southern, central and eastern parts of the country, again, there's going to be quite a lot of dry weather through those areas with just one or two isolated showers coming through. Better sunny spells going to be down in the south and southeast, but even in the north and west there will be sunshine at times. Temperatures tomorrow probably shave off another couple of degrees, so I think we're probably ranging from around 14 to 24 tomorrow. 24 is 75 Fahrenheit. Monday, we've got this ridge of high pressure trying to build up from the southwest, but we're still essentially in a cool and showery air mass on Monday. So again, it's same story. Showers mostly in the north and west. Many southern and eastern areas should be mainly dry through the course of Monday, with just one or two isolated showers coming through. And temperatures are going to be ranging again somewhere, shave off a couple of degrees again on Monday. So temperatures on Monday will be ranging somewhere from around 13 to 23. Notice how the temperature just edged down by a couple of degrees day by day. That's actually a little bit cooler than average, really, across most parts of the country on Monday. Tuesday, we've got a ridge of high pressure beginning to build across France. That's a ridge from the Azores. Sign of things to come later on in the week. Low pressure is developing out to the northwest country as well. That's bringing in cloud and outbreaks of rain. So, probably turns quite wet in the north on Tuesday, actually. Heavy outbreaks of rain pushing in from the Atlantic across Scotland, Northern Ireland, and northwestern parts, and probably north and west Wales included in that too. Some of the rain will be persistent and heavy through those areas. Further south and southeast, we keep a lot of dry weather going across most parts of England and Wales, probably with quite a lot of cloud or increasing amounts of cloud, but the best of the sunshine is likely to be in the southeastern corner. Temperatures probably getting quite warm and humid down in the southeast, could be at around 25, somewhere like southeast England, that's 77 Fahrenheit. And elsewhere though, we've got persistent rain, it will be quite cool there, with temperatures again probably just into the mid-teens Celsius at best, where we've got those persistent outbreaks of rain on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we're bringing another system in from off the Atlantic. That's going to be a weakening weather front. So we'll have a band of cloud and rain across Scotland and Northern Ireland during the course of Wednesday morning. That will spread southwards and eastwards across England and Wales. But as a weakening feature during the course of Wednesday afternoon, most of the rain on that will be dying out as it moves southwards and eastwards. Much of East Anglia and South East England probably staying mainly dry, becoming very warm in the extreme southeast corner. Temperature up to around 27, possibly 28 degrees. That's 82 Fahrenheit down in the southeast. Generally quite a warm and humid sort of feel through most parts of the country. High pressure begins to take over both to the south and to the east of the country on Thursday, and we start to draw up these southerly winds. We probably start off Thursday with quite a lot of cloud and some showery bursts of rain, but I think we'll find most of the clouds sort of breaking up. Many of the showers will die out, and it's just going to be one of those days where it should gradually brighten up with increasing amounts of sunshine pushing in from both the south and from the southeast. Western Scotland and Northern Ireland could stay cloudy with showery bursts of rain there through much of the day. Temperatures becoming warmer down in the south and southeast, turning quite hot, potentially up to around 28 to 29 degrees, I think, by the end of Thursday afternoon. And that warmth generally begin to spread northwards through the course of the day, which then leads us into Friday. We've got high pressure taking over both to the east of the country and also to the south. Ignore this sort of thundery low that's developing here over France on Friday. I think that's happening too quickly. So Friday should be a mostly dry day with plenty of sunshine really coming through across many parts of the country. Back to sunshine, more particularly for southern and east areas. The far northwest could have some cloud and some showery bursts of rain there for West Scotland and Northern Ireland, but most places looking at a dry day on Friday with plenty of sunshine. Temperatures becoming hot again down in the south. I think could well be going up to around 32 or 33 down in the southeast. That's around 90 Fahrenheit again across southern southeastern parts of the country on Friday. And then into next weekend, we could start to draw up some very intense heat from the south on Saturday, but watch out for the chance of thunderstorms increasingly breaking out as we go through into Sunday. So we could get another heat surge next weekend. Temperatures on Saturday might go to 35 degrees or more again down in the south. That's into the mid-90s Fahrenheit once more. And hot still probably on Sunday, but with an increasing risk of thunderstorms breaking out both from the south and from the west too. There's quite a bit of uncertainty about this Friday, Saturday, Sunday period, so I suggest you keep an eye on the forecast to videos over the next few days to see what's going on. But it does definitely look like we could draw up some more quite intense heat from the south as we go through into this weekend of the 8th and the 9th of August. And perhaps a little bit more sustained as well compared to like the one-day wonder that we had yesterday. But again, a lot of uncertainty about this, so more in the videos over the coming few days. Right, let's have a look at charts weather outlook. So it's a cooler, fresher day today. There are some showers around, still pretty warm in the southeast, but overall temperatures are a lot more comfortable. We keep these more comfortable temperatures going into tomorrow as well. Showers in the north, mainly dry down in the south. Through to the early part of next week, again, it's showery in the north and the west. The driest weather is always in the south and the southeast. Could be some quite persistent and heavy rain in the north and west on Tuesday. Through Wednesday, we've got a band of rain moving south east across the country, but it will be weakening as it does so, becoming very warm in the southeast corner. And then through Thursday and Friday, the emphasis increasingly shifts back towards dry and hot conditions spreading up from the south, and those hot conditions could well intensify into next weekend before thunderstorms break out. Right, so that's your weekend forecast. Another very interesting week coming up. In summary then, we're going to be seeing a cooler, fresher feel over the next few days with showery bursts of rain in the north and west, relatively dry in the southeast. Pretty cool with the temperatures, particularly in the north, through the early part of the week. Second half of the week becoming hotter again, and by next weekend we could be back into pretty intense hot weather once more. But with a great risk of thunderstorms. Right then, so that's it weekend forecast. We're going to be back later on with your 10 to 14 day video update, so come back for that. Then it will include all of the usual features. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching.